Welcome back all my new subscribers, old subscribers, and everybody in between. And today I'm going to show you a quick little easy meal here that anybody can make real cheap. What I got here is some ground up red onions and red peppers. One of these kind of onions right here. And a couple bottles of this original Dollar Tree brand barbecue sauce. Then I have over here already cooked, browned up ground beef. And what you do is you mix this in with your beef. You mix the beef in with the onions and pepper. Mix this all in really good. Get it all nice and mixed up good like so. They're all good mixed up. It's going to sizzle because of the pan already being hot and I was working on this. And then once you want to cook get your meat nice and brown. I cooked up 2 pounds of beef, some cheap beef. And what I'm doing is showing y'all a cheap meal you can do. This is like a hamburger, like a sloppy Joe kind of thing. You can use manwich sauce, whatever, but you can use about anything. But all you do is you just simply, like I've shown here, mix your onions and peppers together. Mix it up really good, like I've shown there. And then what you want to do is add this. I had another video made, but my camera screwed up, so I lost that footage. So I had to kind of redo this until I had everything all cooked up already. So yeah, you just brown up your meat, mix your red peppers and onions together, add whatever. Because I grew up kind of poor, so we didn't have a whole lot in my family, so we kind of always made big meals. And to me, I always look at it, when you cook something, you kind of don't have a whole lot of money. What you should always do is cook something that you know you can have it for leftovers, or you can possibly add to another meal the next day to help you out. And then all you do here is just take your barbecue sauce, dump it all out here. I made 2 pounds of this. You want to use whatever meat is cheap in your area. I used ground beef, which is about $5, so 2 pounds is about $10. And then the 98-cent red pepper I bought at the store, and then of course about the $1 onion. Want to get it all in there, just empty that whole thing right out, squeeze it real good. And we'll get it all up there. And then when you got her, she should look something like this. Ooh, that's hot. Be careful. I'm using a cast iron skillet, so then what you want to do is mix it all in there. Get it all good and mixed. I'll grab that other one that I had already opened. Get some of this. And I'm using just Dollar Tree barbecue sauce, but. And then what I'm going to use, since I already had some and I'm not going to, anyway, you can use hamburger buns or bread. I'm just going to use some hot dog buns since I had a bunch of them in the refrigerator to use up. Then you want to mix this all together really good. Make sure you get it all nice and mixed. And this makes like a sloppy Joe kind of consistency. This is something cheap, easy meal. Once you get it all good, you should have something looking like this. And then you grab your whatever you're going to use, bread, buns, or whatever, and And you load that bad boy up. So I'm using just hot dog buns again because I have a bunch of them in my refrigerator from having hot dogs and running out of hot dogs. Because it's getting in my area, it's fall time, and so everybody cookouts are getting kind of done and over with. So, yep. And I'm going to use this lovely little lattice here to scoop up my meal. You could even throw some taco seasoning in this and make a taco, but there you go. There's kind of what I got. Probably didn't grab much of the red onions here. Let's add a little bit of onions to that. Then got kind of a sloppy Joe kind of mix, you know. I say this is a great meal for anybody on a budget that's kind of low income and they ain't got a whole lot of money. But that's one thing is I always recommend if you're going to buy a meat and you're on a budget, get a meat that is good to mix with anything. Like ground beef is one of those. It's really good to mix with anything, and you can basically add anything and make it taste good. That's what I recommend. Like I even made this stuff before and I added mac and cheese to it and made like a hamburger helper type. But there you go. There's another video for y'all to see kind of what I do in my daily life and stuff. And if you like more of this content, feel free to subscribe to my channel. And I hope you enjoy this video. You know, I'm just average Joe Blow trying to make it in this world. And thought I'd try making some YouTube videos and share some helpful stuff and things I like and dislike and stuff. But yeah, there's a basic kind of sloppy Joe type meal. Again, I'll show you. Here, let me grab this other one as well. But there you go. That's what you kind of get, kind of consistency. And I hope you all have a beautiful day, and thank you for watching my channel.